My name is Pigeon and I'm from Long Beach, California. So the Moxi Camp, like in the beginning, we were kind of winging it. Skate camp started because we had all of the Moxi team come and train together, and we thought what a good idea to train with other people too, you know, not just do it ourselves, but share the love. And so we started a camp the following year, just kind of winging it, figuring it out as we are going. Now it seems so much more organized, streamlined. It's so great this year. It's been my favorite year. This year at camp, I taught 8 downhill skating courses. Some of them were beginners, some were advanced, and downhill skating is a big part of street skating. A lot of people can't go down the hill, and it's kind of like a block for their enjoyment when they're going skating outside. So teaching the basics of carving and really going into, you know, we're going off site and we're shredding on these crazy concrete hills, you know, and it's awesome. Everyone's catching on really quickly. People come from years before who took the beginner class last year. Now they're in the advanced class, and it just makes me feel really proud.